In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to post on 2 accounts on Instagram. Keep watching this video until the end if this is something that you want to learn. And before we move on to the video, subscribe if you are new here and also turn on the notifications for more interesting videos similar to this. Now, in order to post and have an option to post on 2 accounts on Instagram, you need to log into both of them on your phone. To add in an extra account, you can first head over to your profile section and then tap on the 3 lines up top, tap on settings, scroll down and tap on add or switch account. From there you can add in an extra account that you want to post on. Now after you've logged into both of your Instagram accounts, from the home page tap on the plus icon on the bottom and select the post that you want to add. Now after you land on this section, you'll see an option of post to other Instagram accounts. This option will only show up if you've also logged into your other, like I earlier said. It will show your username right here. Now all you need to do is toggle this option on and then tap on the tick mark up top. Now after that post has been posted, you can check the other account and you would see that it will be posted on both of your accounts on Instagram. So if you guys enjoyed and found this video useful, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.